So the topic here that we're discussing is obviously interventional pain is moving fast, right? If you don't stop to look around once in a while, you could miss it. And of course, I got that from where I get most of my philosophies in life is either 80s music or 80s movies. In this case, it's Ferris Bueller's Day Off, which I find is the prototypic philosophical movie about how life should be lived, right? And so life moves pretty fast. If you don't stop to look around once in a while, you could miss it. And so what I'm going to talk about here is understanding artificial intelligence and getting a better grip on what it means, what its origins were, and how we can utilize artificial intelligence within our practices to improve efficiencies and actually look at the benefits of artificial intelligence.